So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily create a link for your photos from your Google Drive. So first, simply head over to any of your browser, and once you're inside your browser, just search in for Google Drive or your Drive link. So once you search in for your Google Drive, just enter your Google Drive and make sure you are signed into your Google account. So as you can see, I've already signed into my Drive account and I've already uploaded a lot of files inside here. Some of them are images as well. So you can see, to create an image link, what you can do is just click on this image three dot icon right next to this image option. So once I click on it, you will have to option to share this and just click on this copy link. So first we need to click on this share, and from over here just make sure you have created a particular settings. If you only want to share it this image, or if you only want this image to be accessible by the particular person, then you can add people over or their Gmails over here. But if you don't want anyone to view this, you can also create this option to with anyone with the link, so that once you change the option, people with any Gmail can view the link. So I'll just click on this copy link, and for your confirmation, I'll show you this by using some incognito mode. So I'll just paste this photo link from over here, and you can just share it, this link, with anyone, with any people, and they can view it using their different social media or Google Chat or Google Link or email, just like that. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.